Coolest Amazon gadgets to give as a gift under $25. Amazon is well known for its vast product offerings and therefore has become a one-stop shop for everyday items from cookware to tech gadgets. The online retailer's 2-day or even 2-hour shipping makes it an even more desirable resource, especially when seeking out gifts that are thoughtful and unique but won't break the bank. Vospower 2000 Manola Emergency Weather Radio. Vospower's emergency radio incorporates a 2000 mAh power bank capable of providing emergency power to any small tablet or phone. Use the emergency weather radio's 3 power sources when you need a boost of power or need to recharge the radio. The radio's crank lever and solar panel are both capable of regenerating enough power to keep the radio, lights, and SOS alarm ready to go when you need it most. AAA batteries ensure you have power when not able to regenerate power. The emergency crank radio can also provide light. Power Up 4.0. Grab a sheet of paper, fold it, and go. Instantly put yourself in the cockpit of an amazing smartphone-controlled paper airplane that does high-speed tricks. The Bluetooth module, which includes autopilot control, connects to your phone so you can experience the sensation of flying countless paper, foam, and even balsa wood airplane models. Loops, barrel rolls, and hammerheads are achieved with this special acro mode. Your paper plane's onboard computer automatically calibrates your paper airplane for imperfect weather with a built-in launch assist and wind stabilizer. Now hobbyists, tinkerers, or students can become flight controllers. Julab Go AirPop. Go AirPop features 8+ hours of playtime in each earbud and 24+ extra hours from the charging case, 32+ hours total. Return to the case to recharge the buds, and use the integrated USB cable to charge the case. Use either earbuds independently or use both together. A built-in MEMS microphone in each bud ensures clear calls. Smaller than a credit card, the case fits in your pocket and the earbuds are our smallest yet. 15% smaller earbuds and 40% lighter with a compact case. Julab's signature, balanced, and bass boost modes without an app. Enjoy volume and track controls plus play/pause. Answer calls and activate your smart assistant with the touch control functions. Yeti Rambler 10 ounces Tumbler. The Rambler 10 ounces wine tumbler is made from durable stainless steel with double-wall vacuum insulation to protect your hot or cold beverage at all costs. These Ramblers come standard with the Yeti Mag Slider lid, the only drink lid that uses the power of magnets to keep your favorite drink on lock. While the Mag Slider lid adds a barrier of protection for keeping drinks contained and preventing heat or cold from escaping. Please note that the Mag Slider lid is not leak-proof and will not prevent spills. Yeti Ramblers are BPA-free, dishwasher-safe, and have a sweat design to make sure your hands stay dry. The tough Duracoat coating on the colored tumblers won't crack, peel, or fade. TileMate. Tile helps you keep track of your things. Attach the TileMate to everyday things like keys, backpacks, or purses. Use our free app to find them. Use the Tile app to ring your tile when it's within Bluetooth range or ask your smart home device to find it for you. When outside of Bluetooth range, use the Tile app to view your tile's most recent location on a map. Tile helps you keep track of your things. Attach the TileMate to everyday things like keys, backpacks, or purses. Use our free app to find them. Use the Tile app to ring your tile when it's within Bluetooth range or ask your smart home device to find it for you. When outside of Bluetooth range, use the Tile app to view your tile's most recent location on a map. Double press the button on your tile to make your phone ring, even when it's on silent. Enlist the secure and anonymous help of the Tile network to help find your things. If your lost tile is found, if your tile is lost, add your contact information so you can be reached when someone scans the QR code on your lost tile. Get proactive, smart alert notifications when you leave something behind, and with item reimbursement, if we can't find your tile item, we reimburse you. ATU Touchscreen Winter Gloves. Based on before, we have added 80% more conductive yarn onto the fingertips of the gloves, far more than the other winter gloves, so you can better access electronic devices without having to take off the entire glove. It's best to hand wash with a special detergent. Do not use hot water, but warm water to avoid shrinkage. Do not put it in the dryer. Soft and warm lining design provides warmth and functionality for driving, typing, or cold weather commuting. The knit fabric has a 4-way stretch, so your wiggly digits have the freedom of movement they require and can stay in their natural, relaxed position as you use a computer and mobile phone. The unique and practical 3 touchscreen capability design thumb, forefinger, middle finger, assures you won't have to remove the glove in order to use your phone. Palm Large Area Triangle Silicone Palm Grip keeps that precious phone secure. InnoGear Upgraded Diffuser. The diffuser is powered by an included AC charger. Without occupying much space, you can easily place this palm-sized aromatherapy diffuser on your desk or countertop, or pack it in a carry-on while on the go. You can set the diffuser to intermittent mist, 6 to 8 hours working time. The diffuser mists and pauses every 30s. It goes for almost all night. Or set it to continuous mist, 3 to 4 hours working time. That keeps misting until water runs out. It creates an instant fragrance in your room. Using PP material, this diffuser disperses a comfortable stream of room temperature mist, which provides ideal coverage for small or medium-sized rooms. InnoGear Essential Oil Diffuser has 8 soothing colors, and light can switch from dim to bright. Great for creating atmosphere, meditation, or using as a night light. You can enjoy a restful sleep and keep this diffuser on at night without worries. The diffuser will automatically shut off once the water runs out. Nedra Deep Rest Eye Mask. Wake up refreshed with the Nedra Deep Rest Luxury Sleep Mask. The face-fitting contour feature assists with blocking natural light to help boost melatonin production, so you can fall into a deep REM sleep every night. Lightweight molded eye cups curve away from the eyes to provide rub-free blinks for uninterrupted and comfy sleep. Our mask completely covers the eyes to block visual stimuli without compressing the face and eyes or smudging makeup. When sleeping, light exposure can prevent a long night's rest. The 2 molded eye cups on this sleep eye mask are designed to give you a blackout experience so you can peacefully sleep anytime, making it perfect for travel. Anchor Portable Charger. Built with an Adventure Tier touch with superior durability and scratch resistance. The PowerCore Slim 10000 is premium both inside and out. One of the slimmest and lightest 10,000 mAh portable chargers on the market. Provides 2.25 charges for iPhone 12, 1.6 charges for Galaxy S20, and 1.2 charges for iPad Mini 5. Anker's exclusive Power IQ and Voltage Boost technology combine to detect and deliver a tailored charge of up to 12 W, while the trickle charging mode is the best way to charge low-power devices. Anker's comprehensive multi-protect safety system includes overcharge protection, short-circuit protection, temperature control, and more. Dash Mini Waffle Maker. Make individual servings of eggs, cookies, pancakes, and grilled cheese without the need for multiple pots/pans. Weighing 1 pound plus, this is a must-have for that first apartment, smaller kitchen, college dorm life, or camper/RV traveling. Simply plug it in and wait for the indicator light to turn off. It heats up in mere minutes. The dual non-stick surfaces provide an even cook for consistent results every time. The perfect wedding or new home gift, its small size takes up little counter space, and its sleek design and trendy color options will match any kitchen decor. Add to your registry now. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.